Welcome back to Fab Move Detailing. You guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean a floor mat like this one that is actually really dirty without using any water. Let's do it. All right, you guys, so in situations like this right here where I cannot use a hose like I normally would to clean this, I need to be able to do this without using water because it's right at 20 degrees outside here. It is very cold. I cannot be getting the hose out and be doing anything. I could take these in and clean them in my bathtub, but Mrs. Fab probably wouldn't let me back in the house if she found out. So that is a no for that. So what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to do it a different way. I've done it this method many times before in the past. What we're going to use is Orange Muscle All-Purpose Cleaner from Distinctive Details. This is the same company, you guys, that makes probably the best glass cleaner on the market, in my opinion. It's just a fantastic glass cleaner. Most of you guys know that by now. Most of you have bought it. This all-purpose cleaner is great because it leaves no residue behind. Other products in the market, like Extra Duty from Carbright, leaves a white residue behind. Most of the dealerships that I sell products to have switched to only using this as their all-purpose cleaner inside and outside the car. This is awesome on bugs. It's not abrasive. It's not going to hurt anything to use it on like your bugs and stuff like that. Just don't let it dry. It works really good on bug removal. And you guys are going to see it works really good on this. We're going to use Orange Muscle with a Work Stuff brush. This is from Chicago Auto Pros. I'm just going to have three of these small towels. You guys, these are the towels that come on that roll that I got from Walmart a while back. And just to let you guys know, in case you watch that video, after you wash them, the edge is pretty much, that crusty's gone, which is good. And these are great little utility towels for situations like this right here. And then after we get done cleaning it, we're going to put Lithium's Inner Space on it. I do not sell this product, you guys, but this is a very good product for floor mats because it's not slippery. And it's going to add some protection. So very easy. So what we're going to do, clean half. And you guys are going to see the final results. This is actually worse. Ugh. This is actually worse than the other two mats that I did. Now I got this, no idea what that is. That's why I got gloves on. This is way worse than the other ones that I just did. So I figured this would be the best one to show you guys me do it to. So we're just going to shake it up, all right? I like to do it in sections. And what you're going to notice, this orange muscle is going to start turning brown. You see it? As it starts to eat this stuff up, it's turning brown, the foam, which is what you want. I did miss a spot right here. I'm trying to keep it on this side of the tape. Okay, so it doesn't have to sit very long. This stuff works really well. And you're just going to come and you're going to agitate it. This foam is going to turn a nasty brown color. Make sure you have gloves on because this stuff's going to splash all over you. You see, it's going all over my gloves right now. Would it hurt you? Probably not, but don't take a chance if you don't have to. I see guys using this stuff all the time at these dealerships. They love it. Okay, like that, right? You can see my brush, how it's brown. Now I have a towel over here just for wiping my brush off for right now. I guess I could have a bucket of water, but a towel works just fine. And then we're going to come in here. We're just going to wipe this down. I do have air to help me get this out. It's not necessary to do this because it will eventually dry on its own. But the air is great for like videos like this because then I can show you guys what the finished product looks like. Here we're gonna blow some air here. And probably 9 times out of 10, it gets it on the first pass as far as making it look good. All right, let's go to the top of it because we're gonna completely clean and protect this one side, and then we'll take the tape off. I like the way this stuff foams up. It doesn't dry really fast, which is awesome. Just let it sit there and let it do its thing for just a minute. You don't have to wait long. Oh, I got this on my pants, my good pants. Oh, now Mrs. Fab's definitely gonna be mad. I missed a spot. Okay, that's it. And these mats are pretty bad, especially this driver's mat. But what good does it show me? What good is it for me to show you guys doing it on a mat that's not nearly as dirty as this? Nothing. Doesn't do you good at all. Show you on a nasty mat. Now, I am human. I miss spots. Like I missed a spot in that corner right there. Okay, wipe this towel off. Wipe this brush off. Get towel out. Like I said, the cool part about this stuff is it does not leave a white residue like other cleaners do. Hope I'm in the camera. If I'm not, I apologize. I did get a new microphone for my iPhone, which is what you guys are hearing right now. Okay, let me blow some of this out. Okay, so in this situation, I did not scrub well enough, as you guys can see. That down here looks pretty good right here, so we're gonna have to go over a second time, but this is a pretty nasty floor mat that I'd normally want to use water on. Okay, just basically in that area. And a lot of times on these older WeatherTech floor liners, which it's not older, it's a couple years old. This is on a Ranger. Once that stuff gets kind of embedded in it, sometimes it's really hard to remove. And this is a pretty stiff bristle brush. And in the grooves, right in here is where I didn't get it. Cleaned the rest of it really well. And right in this groove right here. A little bit of elbow grease never hurt nobody. That's how you get jobs done right. Oops, I'll just go ahead and finish using this one. Get as much of it up as I can with my towel. Makes life a little bit easier. It doesn't spray everywhere that way. Okay, that looks way, way better. I do have a spot right here I do want to get really quick because now that I cleaned that really good, now that looks different. But other than that, I think it looks really good. We'll put protection on it here in a second. All right, we're gonna call that good. You guys, is there a few spots here and there? Yes. Like I said, he's not expecting it to be 100%. Inner space. Where's my towel? There it is. Love this product on floor mats. It won't be slippery once it dries. It leaves a nice new finish. I mean, this is reality here, you guys, in my opinion. Let me wipe that down so it's not wet. Okay. You guys can see the difference right there between the two sides. What an improvement with no water. Let me show you one of the mats I've already done. Like I said, these weren't nearly as bad as that one. But look, this looks brand new, other than like white paint or something on this one. When I got done doing this one, I was like, dang it, I wish I showed that one on video. But once again, this one wasn't terrible. It did have dirt and stuff in it, but not like that. I mean, it wasn't brown at all. It just had some brown specks all over it, but nothing like that right there. And this mat looks brand new with the exact same method. Now, we're not done. Let me show you something very important to remember when doing something like this. So I've got it on the ground, right? Which is normally where you're going to clean mats, most people. If I went and just finished this and put it right back in the car, I'd be in trouble because my nice clean carpets would look absolutely terrible Let me check you guys really quick. Yeah, it would look absolutely terrible, you guys, if I just put this straight in the car. So what you want to do, without letting it touch the ground, you need to flip it over. Look, if I just went and put that back in, look at all this dirt. I always clean the other side of the floor mat also. All right, you guys, so they're all done. Here's the passenger side. It looks really, really good. A little bit here and there, but not bad. The back, these were actually pretty bad too. Not a lot of light in here, but as you guys can see, they look absolutely amazing. Not nearly as bad as the drivers, you guys. And then the drivers is the one that looks the worst, which is expected. As you can see, the way the light's hitting, you can definitely see the brown there. You can see a little bit here and there. Here we go. Like this, move the seat back. You can see little spots, and I probably missed a lot of these, especially in these little cracks and crevices, but it's hard to clean. But do we make a huge difference in this? Yes, we did. You know, a lot of YouTubers probably wouldn't even show you this because they'd be like, they'll show you in the dark, so it looks really good. I'm showing you in the light so you can actually see what these mats look like. They're not going to be perfect, but they are way better. All right, you guys, so we made substantial improvements on these mats. Are they perfect? No, as I showed you guys. Could I have made them look perfect by maybe going 3 or 4 more passes, or finding a way to get water and using an even stronger degreaser of some sort? Absolutely you could, but then you may end up getting white residue and who knows, but it's also a lot more work. I also could have, if I wanted to, I sell carpet and vinyl dyes to dealerships and stuff all the time, where they use to cover up stains, make floor mats like WeatherTech's look brand new again. I'm not a person to mask something unless the customer actually requests me to. It is what it is. They look good. They look way better, especially this one and the back one. The back one looks brand new, and it was dirty, but not as bad as the front two. But this one right here looks almost brand new. That side over there is about 75% better. I think that's a pretty good number, 75, 80% better. And I'm happy with that. Orange Muscle is available on my website, you guys. I'll leave a link in the description of the video where you can find Orange Muscle on my website. While you're there, pick up a can of Diamond Clear because you're going to want a can of Diamond Clear. It's probably the best glass cleaner in the market. And that way you kind of save on shipping by buying both. And the other product we used in the video was Interspace from Lithium. This is their interior detailer protectant. Such a good product. It doesn't leave anything slippery or greasy feeling. That's why I always choose to go with this on my floor mats, especially where I don't want people's feet to get in there and slide. And dashboards, makes them just look brand new. I don't sell this. If it's on Amazon, I will put it in my Amazon store and put a link in the description also. Otherwise, I will put a link to Lithium's website where you guys can find this product. So once again, was not going for perfection this video, but you guys saw how easy it was. Just a little bit of a little bit of effort. And the floor mats look so much better than what they did when I started this detail, you guys. So because I know I'm going to get comments about how, well, you can still see dirt and this and that. Not every detail is as people on YouTube make it look like. I can tell you that much right now. This is reality. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and checking it out. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the Fab family. We'd love to have you, and we'll see you in the next video.